Welcome back. In today's training, our focus will be creation of the REST pages for our website. Pages like About Us, Services, and the Contact Us page. From here, click Add New. Then you add the page title, which is About. The next thing is to come down here to the content of the page. We are going to add a column, full column, one column, with width. Okay, let's add content to the column. We're going to add picture. This picture should be this. Select. Can add any picture there. So I'm going to make it make the section full width. This full width, then I'll give it a padding. Let's set custom size. Let me see. This is a custom size that's 100 pixel across. So the next thing is to add another column to be a one column, and this column is going to contain all the write-up for the about page. Then I'll come here and click my text, my write-up for about us page. I'll just paste it here, right? So I'm going to select this column as well and make it full width, right? Then uh, can reduce the size, reduce the size, or yeah, I'll just reduce the size. Let me see this. I may also have to reduce this padding. Let me remove this custom padding. Just choose 4 or 5 rather. Publish. That I'll view the site to see how the site looks. Okay, this is what I'm having about us. This is what I'm having. Okay. So the next thing is to create a service page. Service page. Just hit add new. We'll call it services. Then come to the content and all the services that we are offering. Okay, what we're going to do is to add 3 columns of equal width. Then I'll make this section full width with a padding of 4, 4 here. Then the first thing is to add the content to the first column. I'm going to add a picture from my media library. So this shows all the services that we're offering. So we offer uh, digital marketing services. You add the content, just select this column, add heading, which is H3, add digital marketing. The next thing is to select the column and add content for this. Yeah, that is it, or services. So I can now select all, select this column and duplicate it as I did in our previous training. Duplicate column. I'll just remove this, remove column, remove column, then duplicate column. So I have it in 3 places. So I can change this to website design. website design, the content. The next thing is skill acquisition. Once that is done, change the picture, replace with website design. Oh, that was what we did before. Okay, let's replace digital marketing. Okay, there we have it. Digital marketing, web design, then skill acquisition. Let's replace the picture. Can use this picture. No, I'm going to replace it. I'll just choose this. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is it's not just these three services I'm offering. I'm going to duplicate the whole section, duplicate, so I can have it in two places. So I can call this graphic design, graphics design. Paste the right up there. Then I'll bring the picture with respect to that. Replace the picture. I'll just choose this picture, graphic design. So the next thing is I'll call this uh, social media management. That is also manage social media account for individuals, establishment, and non-governmental organizations. Okay, so you just add the write up to social media management. Also a write up to this. We are going to call this one digitization. So we'll add the write up with respect to digitization here. So this is how you add your services uh, to services page. So the next thing is to have this reflect on our website is to hit this publish twice so that it can come live. Services. Okay, this is our services. So this digitization will need to put, because whichever services you are adding to your website, you also have to add a picture with respect to that services. I'm going to add a picture for digitization. Just go back. From here, social media management, we have to replace this picture from media library. Should have a picture with respect to that. Let me see. Let me upload picture. I think this picture will be a good fit for that. Select. So you can see we now have the picture here. So digitization we can change it to. Just look for a better picture that will suit that place. Maybe this will work. Let's see. Let's use this for digitization. So the next is to update the site again. View the page. So that okay, services we have this, and we have about 6 services. We're showcasing about 6 of our services here. So the next page we are going to create is a contact us page. So we've created about us, services, left about us. So what we're going to do is just to hit this button so that it took us to a new page. We'll call it contact us, or publish. So contact us page will always will always show the address to your office location, as well as a form for users to actually submit a message to you. So we are going to use a column here, section of two column. With the first column to be uh, a write up. We're going to bring a heading. Then I can use heading for, just say address, address. Choose this, bring paragraph. So once I'm done typing that, I'll select the column again to add another section. Can bring another heading and make it heading 4. Then I'll call it maybe phone number, phone. Select the column, add another one. Then I'll call it just add my phone number. So just type in my phone number. Once I am done with that, then I'll hit update. So meanwhile, I'm going to make this a full width with padding of maybe 5. Yeah. So the next thing after adding the address, office address, and the phone number, all I need to put here is a form, which is actually a plugin. So we are going to learn that in our next video. Our next video will be all about plugin. But before that, let's update this and visit our site. Discover that okay, in our menu we only have home. Then I will have this. So what we are going to do now, we are going to add all our navigation menu here, so that a user can actually click through our website and view the content of our website. So let's head back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, from the left side of screen, scroll to appearance, then click menus. Once the menu is open, you might see some pages that are red here. These are the pages I deleted earlier. I'll just remove them from here. Remove. Remove. So what I'm going to do, a primary menu is being selected from here. Just come here and select primary menu, which is here. Then you come here and select all the menu you want to add. I want to add home, about, services, and contact. You just add them. Now we're having uh, remain services. So you can rearrange them, push this up, right? Home. So we can save it. Mind you, we are not having blog here now. Blog page is not here. What we are going to do is to create a custom link with the write up of blog. Then we are going to copy the link to our blog here, right? Let's save this first and visit the site, refresh the page. We're now having this home. This is the home. This is our home. Contact us. That's a mistake. So we have to rearrange our menu. Contact us will be the last. Home followed by about, services, and then contact. Save. Then come here, refresh the page. Have home, about, services, and then contact us. Home. We have this to the very end of the page. About. This is about. Then services, then contact us. Contact us. Okay, so the next thing is to see how we can bring the blog page here. Okay, what we are going to do is to create a page. We are going to create a page and we'll call it blog. The page, add new page, then we'll call it blog, publish. The blog is live. Mind you that the blog is empty. We are not going to add anything to it. So the next thing that we are going to do is to come here, refresh this page, and see how we can add the blog page to the top menu. Save. You come to the site and refresh, and we have it there, menu, blog, and it is empty. So to have all our blog posts reflect on this page, all we are going to do is to go to settings. From settings of the website, you go to reading. Once you are on the reading, so you can see your home page displays your latest post. So what we're going to do is just tick this a static page. That is, we choose a home page here. From home page, you select home. Post page, then we select blog, which was the empty page that we selected. For each post in a field, include full text exempt. We'll just leave it as it is. Save. Once that is done, we can go back to our website and refresh the page and see. Now you can see the blog page is now having all the blog posts we have made on our website. That is it. Yeah. So you can see we have home. This is our home. This is content for the home of our website. So let's view this site from another browser. We just open another browser. I open Edge, then I will just paste it here. So this is how a user will see your site if they visit your website. This is what they will be seeing. Yeah. So for them to read more about this or about this post, they will have to click read more to take them to that page. This is it. Take us to the page. You can go back. You can click this graphic design. You can go back. Click this. Okay, this one is not being linked to the page. Okay. So the next thing is view more. This button, we are going to link it to the services. Likewise, this button to about page. So let's just do that quickly. Let's go back to the pages. Edit. Come. Now that we are on the page, so what we're going to do is just to click here. Click this button. Then click and type about so that to display about us page. This is the page about. The next thing is this view. Just click here and type services. You have this services page. Just choose the page. That's all. The next thing is the blog, which is skill acquisition. All you need to do is just to type skill here, skill acquisition. Just select the post and that's all. So I've linked this to our WhatsApp. I've linked all this button to their corresponding pages. So I think our home page is now completed. We can now update. Then if we go back to that browser and refresh, you can open each and every one of them in a new tab to make sure that they are working. And read more, which is about services, view more services. Then uh, this blog post, want to read more. This will always display the latest blog post. So come here. This is about. This is services. This is web design, which is a post. So the user can come after reading through, can make a comment. Wow, this is an awesome. I say wow, awesome. Now come here, now type my name. Then this is optional. Can say save my email or website in this browser for the next time I comment. And just tick that and post the comment. Now your comment is awaiting moderation. So as at the admin of a website, once a user visits your site and they make any comment with respect to your blog post, it will have to be on pending so that you, the admin of the site, will log in into your website and view the comment first. If it is okay to go live, you accept it. Otherwise, you just delete it. Refresh the page, the site. You can see comment. We are having one comment here. You can click the comment. You can view the site, the comment the person post. Okay. On my blog post website design, somebody make this comment. Wow, this is an awesome, and the person name is Abdul Mumin with this email address. I can reach out to that person with this email address. So now all I need to do, if I want this comment to become live on my website for others to see, I'll just approve it. If the comment is not relevant, I'll just uh, trash it or spam it. I'll just approve. Now, if we go back to the site and you refresh here, so you discover that we now have one comment at the moment on this also date. Wow, this is an awesome. So this is how people post a comment to the website. Yeah, I think this will mark the end of today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.